Since January 11, 2023, our system ranks Genius Group Ltd as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.469. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 253.96% since we first told you to buy Genius Group Ltd 14 days ago. This is an average return of 89.57% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Genius Group Ltd, our last headline reads, "Big movements in Genius Group Ltd stock price on Tuesday, moving 18.38% between high and low." The Genius Group Ltd stock price gained 11.41% on the last trading day, Tuesday, January 31, 2023, rising from $4.91 to $5.47. It has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 18.38% from a day low at $4.95 to a day high of $5.86. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 844.73% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -86 million shares, and in total, 27 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $147.04 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $36.75, and the lowest price was $0.301. Right now the price is 85.12%, or $31.28, below 52-week high at $36.75, which also is all-time high for the stock. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 81.1% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -64.31% and 81.1%. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for Genius Group Ltd. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Genius Group Ltd stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $4.43 and $1.31. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, January 3, 2023, and so far it has risen 1,636.51%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 76 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 7 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Genius Group Ltd. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $4.91 and $4.71. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Genius Group Ltd finds support just below today's level at $4.91. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $4.71 and $4.55. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 91 cents between high and low, or 18.38%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 32.26%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, Genius Group Ltd finds first level of support at $4.91, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $5.31, minus 2.86%. This stock has very high daily movements and this gives very high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 19 days ago. Is Genius Group Ltd stock a buy? Genius Group Ltd holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying says, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Wednesday, first we expect Genius Group Ltd to open down $0.0433 and start trading at $5.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to